Welcome. This is an instructor introduction of Ramamurthy, the President of Fintech Career Inc. Our mission is to help you shape your future. Technology makes our life easier, quicker, comfortable, and better than before. I am a technocrat with high engineering and management qualifications and long years of experience in IT and teaching. Years ago, I became a teacher due to a request from a friend of mine. I was invited to share my experience by teaching in a management institution. It was like swimming because I had to excel for exhibiting my knowledge. It was a challenge to teach difficult subjects like software engineering and project management. I revised the syllabus thoroughly and prepared comprehensive support materials that made my job easy. Simplicity was my approach that ensured that everybody could understand. Students liked my teaching since I made it interesting and easy to learn. I improve on my way every time, even when I had to do the same subject again. I was respected for a great teaching. You can be different from the others in learning at ease. I cherished Peter Drucker's observation that in teaching we rely on naturals, the ones who somehow know how to teach. I believe that I am a born natural teacher and my task is to teach people how to learn. Later, I learned to develop teaching skills in others. So, I identified some experienced people interested in teaching. I incorporated Fintech Career to educate. Like good ammunition is essential to win, we prepare the best course support materials for effective and easy learning. Visuals like pictures, images, charts, data, examples, and case studies, audios, and the contents make our tutorials comprehensive and elegant. Fintech Career is my desire to shape your future with online courses. Listen to our first student of our Fintech Career Inc. training, who has shared her view after completion of the course with Fintech Career.
Just wanted to drop a note of appreciate and let you know that you are an amazing team. You've organized, responsive, patient, and able to clearly explain complex topics. I really enjoyed every single minute of your class. I've learned a lot more than just the IFIC coast. Not only that, your timely emails are the useful summary notes. You've been extremely helpful, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you for the hard work you've been put into me to help me to clear my exam and make sure that I am able to find the right job. I am amazed to see your service beyond just helping me pass the exam. You are a team of excellent teachers who have gone above and beyond to ensure that your student will understand the concept and is well equipped with the material being taught in class. I also appreciate how all the classes were very interactive and engaging. I would like to thank you for all the motivation and believing in me when I doubted myself. I can see your passion towards teaching your student and helping them to grow in their professional life. Wish you the best for future. Jyotika.
I am now here in Udemy with my team that excel in teaching. We are now specialized in making online courses that have made our in-class teaching redundant. You are now here to learn from us. Our job is to make sure that you are enjoying the learning. You will be delighted soon with our tutorial that is made to learn better than ever.